Instruction 2 on the homework says on the public works worksheet in cell G5, insert a formula that will calculate what percentage of the total cost in F10 was used in administrative department. So what they're asking for right here is what part of the total is this administration cost, and this is the total. So what I want here is I want to press equals. I want to know what percentage of the total. So this is the cost of the administration, and if I divide it by the total, this will give me the percentage of the total. Now watch what happens when I hit this. It shows it's 10%, but if I go and I copy this to the other departments, notice I get a divide by zero error. And the reason for that is, let's look at the formula. Notice the formula change from F10 here to F11. What's in F11? Nothing. It's a zero. So that's why we get a divide by zero error. And this is why you need to use an absolute cell reference. So we come over to here, change this to an absolute cell reference. By pressing the function F4 key, and that will put a $ in front of each one of these. So I'll go ahead and hit enter. Notice it's still 10%. However, this time when I copy it, notice it gives the percentages for each one. So notice now the formula stays as F10 and it's no longer F11, because when you copy a formula from one row to another, it automatically changes all of the row references. So this is step 2. Number 17 says copy cell C5 and paste the contents in cell C13. So I'll come here, press Control C, come here, press Control V. That copies the contents into that cell. Now it says in cell C13, this cell that we just copied this value in, use GoalSeek to determine the goal amount of administration expenses in cell B13 if the value in C13 is set to 7%. So I want to know, what do I have to decrease this to get 7% of this. So to do that, I go to the Data tab, click on What If Analysis, click on GoalSeek. Notice it says C13. I want to set this to 7% by changing the value in this cell right here, which is B13. Click OK. Notice it'll change it to 2,493,000, and then click OK.